I don't know about you, but I'm already preparing for Christmas holidays. And this is a huge box with gifts for me and for you for these Christmas holidays. And I think today you and I will enjoy unpacking a huge box with puzzles. It's even drawn here that these are puzzles. Here we go. Oh, it will be interesting. I roughly imagine what is inside. But I don't know for sure, but for you it will be a surprise. Paper? Okay, I'm kidding. The box is so big I have to stand up. Here it is, a Speedcuber's paradise. God, there are a lot of puzzles here. I didn't order this. This is a gift, a stand for a cube. We also have a business card and stickers. Now all my 3x3s will be with beautiful stickers. We haven't yet reached the puzzles and I'm already delighted. Look at these stickers and tell me which of the stickers do you like the most. I asked the seller to pick me the most interesting puzzles that would be interesting not only to me, but also to you, because I bought these puzzles not only to play with them myself, but also to show you as a content on this channel. So be sure to subscribe and tell me which of these puzzles surprised you the most. This is a pyramid. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do with it. An ordinary pyramid. For a long time I was thinking of getting back to speed solving of a pyramids, so I bought these budget things. If I'm not mistaken, there should be 4. 1, 2, 3, and there has to be another one somewhere else. Here it is. 4 same pyramids. I ordered them specifically for a separate video, and I think that you have already guessed for which one. It will be interesting. I hope that it will gain a lot of views and comments. Well, now let's move on to the interesting puzzles. Okay, what do we have here? There is such a monster inside. Hello. It looks... It doesn't look as difficult as I imagined, because when I turned it, here everything is moving. I will definitely try to solve this puzzle. I have no idea what it is called. Oh, Windmill pyramid. Basically everything is simple. Okay, let's see what else interesting is here. Well, if we started with the pyramids, then let's go to this little one. A little cool thing. Oh god, it's so small. And also it's quite unexpected when you turn the corner, the center turns too. In general, it looks like something interesting. Take a look at this trick. I turn the corner and it feels like this is an eye that is looking up and down. A pretty cool feeling. Damn, I now have the feeling that Masons are watching us. Okay, next I see here just a lot of these boxes. It's like the same elephant that we didn't notice in the room. It's written here 7x7, 6x6, 5x5, 4x4. But it's not a Rubik's Cube, it's 15 puzzles. And 25 puzzle, and 36, and even a 49. Giant 15 puzzles. I'm very interested in how fast I can solve them, which is why there is a full set here. So what else do we have here? By the way, Ihor, come here. What is it?
It's GAN's lube.
GAN's lube?
Lubricants by GAN.
Did we order this?
No, this is a gift.
Oh, seriously? Great. In addition to what we ordered, we also received a gift. These are lubricants for a Rubik's Cube, 2 different. One thing makes my cube more smooth, as I understand more controllable, and the other lube, daily care. I understand that this is such an everyday lubricant, neutral one, for the cube to work and not to be spoiled. Okay, we will use it, taking into account that it's GAN. And by the way, this is not the only GAN's product in this box. Okay, these is puzzles, let's quickly take a look at them, because I already want to show you the most interesting things. Again, the pyramids, again, is simple, for the same videos where I will try to cope with simple puzzles. Only there's a nuance, I don't understand how it turns. What? Wait a second. Wow, it's magnetic! Cool! Haha. However, how to solve this puzzle by Moyu, by the way, and how it's called, we will learn a bit further. I mean, in the following videos. But look, this is not all the puzzles of this collection. Here is another Pyraminx, and it again looks different. The only thing that makes them similar is these pastel colors that I really like. Looks quite expensive. And by the way, it's very pleasant to touch it. Okay, well, here we in principle have a familiar thing. The center is turning along with the corner. Look. By the way, the turning is quite pleasant and I really like it. Not only the color, but also how it turns. Look how much lubrication is inside this puzzle. It's very nice that all the puzzles are lubricated, prepared for high-speed solving. Although I can't imagine how quickly I can solve this puzzle. But it's cool, I want to turn it more and more. And another similar puzzle is also a pyramid type. Can I say so? Pyramid type. What type are you today? Write in the comments. Again, it's not clear how to turn it. Damn, what is this? How does it work? Is it something from space? Damn, cool, I want to solve it all, but of course in a separate video. Well, with this thing I think many of you are familiar. It's been a long time… Is it a joke? I thought there is this puzzle inside. This is some kind of unexpected surprise box. You have already seen the thing on my channel, and I thought how did it end up in our order? But no, in fact, the seller put such a puzzle inside this box. The puzzle is amazing and it no longer looks as simple as the previous. The cube is quite complicated. Does it turn like 2x2 or not? Because I see such interesting cuts as if it should do it, but no. Maybe it should turn like an X cube. Let me try. It doesn't turn like a 2x2 nor like an X cube, although it looks like both. Perhaps the first puzzle from this package that I'm afraid to solve. It's really scary. Well, folks, quite a bit is left. Oh no, many more. Okay. The first thing that catches my eyes is a GAN 15 puzzle. But well, it's as incomprehensible as possible. I have never come across a 15 puzzle of triangular shape. Let's take a look at it. Okay, wow, they are better than I expected. And wow, they are also magnetic. Okay, good present. I like it. Moving on, talking about non-standard puzzles, there is also such a snake. I never liked snakes, but when I saw this one on the website, I think, well, alright, you have to take it. Because folks, just look at it. It's quite larger than the standard one, and secondly, it has a very good mechanism and a nice, colorful body like this, with a lot of holes in it. Damn cool! I feel like a kid. I really like it. Awesome. Okay, let's try. Only the cubes have left. What do you see in front of you now? It's a treasure. Yeah, folks, this is, finally in Ukraine, GAN 15 maglev. The absolute flagship among Rubik's cubes. Those who know a lot about cubes definitely want to turn this thing. And I will definitely turn it, and now my hands are very itchy to open this box, but this unpacking deserves a separate video, and I can't wait for it. But that's not all the interesting stuff that's here. We will put it here, so it just looks at me because it makes me a little excited. Wow. Okay. Oh, another pyramid. How did we miss it? Another pastel pyramid with an interesting mechanism, which I still cannot evaluate and don't understand how it works, but just look at these colors. It's amazing. Okay, talking about little thingies, there is still such a small keychain. You always want to turn the cube, but it is not always in your hands. But this one, it's called an Ivy cube, is so small that it fits on the keychain. Can you imagine the thing on your keychain? Nice. Then we have 3x3. By the way, it's very interesting that this is an ordinary 3x3, which seems to not attract too much attention, but… This is such a 3x3 where instead of stickers there are such three-dimensional shapes that can be clearly distinguished by touch, and this cube was created in order to solve it with closed eyes. That is, I close my eyes and by touch I understand which side is where and which detail is where. I will definitely try to solve it with my eyes closed. And this cube, by the way, very similar to my super popular video about creating a cube for blind people. I'm curious, how did they come up with creating such things? Well, one face here is flat. And how can I understand what color it is if my eyes are closed? There's nothing here. Okay. Here I understand we have again a whole bunch of puzzles. Well, let's group them a bit. The first group is this 5-axis 3 layers cube and 5-axis 2 layers cube. That is, there are 5 colors. Damn it! I didn't think that there may be 5 colors on the cube. And oh, everything is turning here. Each side turns. I think it's gonna be a really complicated puzzle. But that's not all, because there is still this 3 layers kind of puzzle. Same thing, but with 3 layers. It will be interesting to try to solve these puzzles. The next group of these puzzles consists of these two. I call these cubes a time machine, and now I will explain why. First, I have here such a 2x2 time machine cube and the same, but 4x4. Whoa, it's gigantic and looks beautiful. The trick is that when you turn this cube, scramble it, you can at this moment make a non-standard movement that even you turn everything back, you won't solve it. So this is the time machine cube. This cube just destroys the space-time continuum. Well, the butterfly effect and so forth. Talking about butterfly, this cube is quite similar to it. Let's take a closer look at it. Wow! I will call it butterfly cube, although it looks more like a clover cube. But I already understand that it doesn't turn like a clover cube. It turns... God, really unexpected. You know, I'm always waiting for some tricks from cubes that look very strange and I hold for the first time. This one will definitely turn in some weird way, but no, damn it, it turns as usual. I don't know. I don't know, every new puzzle surprises me today. Really. And another cube is also quite a complex shape and looks beautiful. These stars also confuse me. Let's imagine, well, how it can turn. Definitely not this way, but it have to turn somehow. Probably corners. Yes, they are already turning, but something else has to turn. It's not just that, otherwise you will not scramble it. Okay, corners, but what else? Okay, if it turns now, I delete the channel. I was joking, I won't, but it's... It's the hardest thing I've held in my life.
And one of the cheapest in this package.
Really?
$4.
It costs $4?
Yep.
Folks, you have to order this right now and it will just blow your mind. Polaris Cube. I didn't even try to scramble it, but I swear to you, this is what will make you crazy. Well, well, well. Let's leave it to you, Ihor. I'm afraid to solve it. And even to scramble. And quite a bit is left. I understand that we still have the most complex puzzles. Are you ready to see them? Here is such a puzzle. Yes, it looks strange, but look, there are 8 sides, 8 colors. It's unclear how it turns. Yeah, that was expected. It's okay, but this perhaps will be unexpected. Oh, it turns this way too. Haha, it's cool. I think it's kind of like 3x3 a little bit, or even 5x5. It's 5x5 without corners, or 3x3 with additional centers. In short, this is a complex puzzle. And this is the only puzzle in this set that I can turn and it will not scramble. I can scramble it. Damn, really, the anti-stress puzzle. You just turn it and can scramble. Well, okay, we still didn't reach these details, and there will already be a catastrophe. We will try to solve it, but next time. Then we still have such a puzzle similar to Clover Cube, to Scube, Kiwi Cube, and two similar ones. But again, this is a new puzzle with a very strange mechanism. God, honestly, I'm surprised that there are so many different puzzles that I have never seen. Why? I thought that I saw everything, but this package really surprised me. And this tiny thingy. It's a small scube. But, God, how many faces there are? 1, 2... What? 2 blue, 2 yellow? What? Green and green, red and red, how is that? I don't understand how it works. God, what a tiny puzzle, and it's turning like scube. It's a disaster. God, what complex cubes. Well, as you understand, I still have a lot of work here. Well, write in the comments which of these puzzles from today's unboxing you liked the most. Well guys, that was me, Cubasticyt. See you soon, because as you can see, there is still a lot of interesting content here. And we will start with unpacking of this one. So, bye-bye. Finally, this time has come, damn it! I've been sitting here and waiting for this box, and finally it happened. Oh, God. I'm the happiest child. It's all mine. Okay, turn off the camera, let me enjoy it.